Okay, welcome to another video by Peninsula Floating Floors. This is property Mornington. This is just a spare room, only 22 metres. It's kind of a guest room, but also pool changing room, and people walk through wet to use the bathroom. So we put down a Kronoswiss Aqustop, 12mm in the platinum. Goes really nice with these grey tiles in the bathroom. So I won't have any problem with water issues. So yeah, have a quick look at it. Skirts already here, just put them back on, filled the nail holes. Nice. Looped in the door. Another there at the bathroom. Nice square room, 310 across, and what worked out really nicely is there was 16 exact rows into 310 with two 11mm gaps. So happy days. Pretty rare, I think it's twice in 150 floors it's actually worked out like that. So it's a good job because I'd have run out of planks if I'd have to rip the edges. So there you have it, 12mm, so Kronoswiss Aqustop in platinum, 48 hours waterproof, bulletproof, and looks great. 35-year residential warranty. Lay it and forget about it. Just very versatile, hard wearing. Okay, thanks for watching. Smash a like on the video if you liked it. If you didn't, don't do anything.